The lost bracelet. Emily cherished her bracelet, a gift from her grandmother. One sunny afternoon, while playing in the park, she noticed it was missing from her wrist. Panic set in as she retraced her steps, searching everywhere. Just as Emily was about to give up, she saw a little girl named Lucy holding something shiny. Approaching her, Emily's heart leapt when she realized it was her bracelet. Lucy smiled and said, "I found this near the swings." Emily hugged Lucy and thanked her, feeling grateful not just for finding her bracelet but for the kindness shown by a stranger. From that day on, Emily made sure to show kindness to others, remembering how a simple act can make a big difference. Lesson: kindness has the power to turn a moment of worry into one of joy.